Today, we're diving into something that honestly kind of sounds like magic at first. But actually, it's the exact documented psychological framework used by heavyweights like Jim Carrey, Oprah Winfrey, and 9 other megastars to build their massive empires. We're going to take this fascinating article about these 11 celebrities and translate it into a practical, actionable blueprint just for you. We aren't just going to sit back and marvel at their success. We're breaking down exactly how their minds work so you can apply it to your own life. Let's get into it.
So think about it. What do these 11 massive stars actually have in common? We're talking Hollywood elite, billionaire moguls, top-tier musicians, world-class performers, the whole shebang. Before they ever made it big, before the fame, before the fortune, what single mindset connected them all? Well, it wasn't their upbringing, and it definitely wasn't just raw talent. It was a very specific, deliberate way of processing their future before it ever actually happened.
To make sure you get the most out of this, we've broken this explainer down into a quick thematic roadmap. We'll cover 1. What is the law? 2. The power of visualization. 3. Speaking it into existence. 4. Gratitude and unshakable belief. 5. The common celebrity thread. And finally, 6. To you. This way, you can see exactly how these manifestation techniques stack on top of each other.
Starting off with Section 1, what is the law? Let's quickly establish the absolute basics of this phenomenon before we jump into the celebrity case studies.
So, the law of attraction. It isn't just some abstract magic or wishful thinking. Really, it's the focused, deliberate belief that your thoughts actively shape your future reality. It operates on this premise that like attracts like. In the context of our source material, it's really all about cognitive priming. It's about getting into the driver's seat of your own mind so completely that your external circumstances, well, they eventually have absolutely no choice but to catch up to you. And what's absolutely wild here is that our source identifies exactly 11 household names who credit their massive industry-defining success straight back to this law. I mean, we aren't just talking about 1 or 2 lucky breaks here. We're looking at 11 separate, highly documented individuals from totally different walks of life, and they all point to this exact same mental framework as the true catalyst for their achievements. Moving on to Section 2, the power of visualization. We're starting with the mind's eye here, because everything created in the physical world first has to be created in the mental world. Just look at the sensory detail these stars used when visualizing. Take Jim Carrey. Before he was a household name, he famously drove his beat-up car to the Hollywood Hills, sat there, and vividly visualized directors praising his work. He literally wrote himself a physical check for $10 million for acting services rendered. He didn't just vaguely hope for a good career, right? He felt the steering wheel under his hands. He saw the exact dollar amount on that check. He mentally rehearsed the whole thing until he basically tricked his nervous system into believing that success was already a present reality. But, and this is absolutely crucial, here is the counterbalance. Mental visualization has got to be paired with relentless hard work. Hearing it straight from them proves this technique isn't just, daydreaming on your couch waiting for the universe to magically drop $1 million in your lap. Not at all. It's a highly effective method to prime your brain for high achievement. The vision simply directs the sweat equity. Whether we're talking about Will Smith, picturing himself as the biggest movie star on earth, Oprah Winfrey building out her media network in her head way before the cameras ever rolled, or Jay-Z envisioning those stadium sellouts, visualization is this foundational habit shared across entirely different industries. These manifestation champions use mental imagery as a daily anchor. It keeps them locked onto their target and filters out all the immediate noise around them. All right, Section 3, speaking it into existence. Because once those internal thoughts are locked in, they've got to be pushed out into the real world through verbal affirmation. Words have power. What you say out loud, you attract. You see, the celebrities in this category realize that speaking your goals out loud fundamentally shifts your psychological commitment to them. When you just think about a goal, it's safe. It's quiet in your head. But the second you articulate it out loud, boom, you make it real. You hear yourself say it, and your brain immediately starts trying to align your actions with the words you just put out into the room. Take Muhammad Ali, for instance, or Conor McGregor. They boldly stated they were going to be the biggest stars in the entire world back when they were completely unknown. I mean, they had zero empirical evidence that it would actually work out. Speaking like that, it's an act of sheer audacity. It acts like a verbal contract with yourself, leaving absolutely no room for retreat. You've burned the ships. Notice the profound linguistic shift happening here. Instead of a passive, vague desire like,
I hope to be rich, or I really want to be successful, these stars use active, hyper-specific present tense declarations. Things like, I am earning my success daily. That shift from just wanting to actually being, that is exactly how they rewired their daily confidence and took total ownership of their paths.
Now for section 4, gratitude and unshakable belief. So you've got the vision, you've got the words, but what holds it all together when things go horribly wrong?
Look, it is incredibly easy to be grateful when you're standing on a red carpet holding a gold trophy, right? But it requires immense mental discipline to be grateful when you are literally at rock bottom. Stars like Steve Harvey used gratitude as an anchor to keep from losing hope during immense hardships, like when he spent years living out of his car. He and others just like him used gratitude for what they did have as a powerful magnet to attract what they wanted to have.
And this creates a really stark contrast in mindsets. A standard mindset hits a wall, hyper-focuses on the immediate obstacles, and says, man, I can't do this. A law of attraction mindset, it completely flips the script. It focuses on unwavering belief, telling you that the ultimate outcome is absolutely guaranteed. Those obstacles, they're just the necessary stairs you have to climb to get there. Which brings us to section 5, the common celebrity thread. Stepping back from these individual stories of struggle and triumph, what is the core architectural framework here? What's the thread connecting all 11 of these highly successful figures? Well, it turns out true manifestation requires a balanced, equal combination of visualizing, speaking, and deeply believing. You can't just speak it out loud if deep down you don't actually believe it. And you can't just visualize it if you aren't going to reinforce it verbally and act on it. These 11 stars utilized all 3 of these elements in perfect harmony to create this unstoppable forward momentum.
While some of them leaned really heavily on morning affirmations, others on intense visualization, and others on radically deep-seated belief systems, they all pulled from the exact same playbook. Extreme success isn't just some random coin toss. It leaves a clear, reproducible pattern. And hey, if it's a playbook, that means you can run the plays too.
Let's get into section 6, applying it to you. This is where we make all of this actionable for your life right now. We are translating these Hollywood habits straight into your everyday routine. Look, you definitely don't need a massive Hollywood budget, a high-powered agent, or a shiny record deal to start applying these exact same celebrity habits to your daily life. The real beauty of the law of attraction? The entry fee is exactly $0. It literally only costs your focus, your intention, and your consistency. So here are the 3 simple, actionable steps you can extract directly from their stories to completely change your own trajectory. Step 1, visualize a highly specific goal. Please don't be vague here. Step 2, speak your affirmations daily. Give those goals a physical voice in the room. And step 3, maintain gratitude through the struggles. You've got to protect your mindset when that inevitable friction happens. You can easily integrate these daily micro habits starting tomorrow morning. Seriously, just take 5 minutes for a visualization exercise before you ever even glance at your phone. Stand in the mirror and state your goals out loud in the present tense. Write down 3 things you're grateful for in a journal. These small, deliberate actions, they compound over time, entirely shifting how you operate in the world. I am going to leave you with this final, provocative thought. If these 11 stars prove that the blueprint works, and if your thoughts truly do create your reality, what are you choosing to attract tomorrow? They all started with nothing but a thought, and they built empires. So what incredible reality are you going to start building next?